In this video, solution to the problem number 51, which was uploaded on 28th December of 2020, will be discussed. This is also the right time to mention that this problem number 51 is similar to the previous problem, that is problem number 50, which was set in the admission test conducted by the TIFR, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, in the year of 2015 and was uploaded on this channel on 27th December of 2020. Anyway, solution to the problem begins by recapitulating the important concept that the directional derivative of a surface f of x, y, z along any vector v is formulated as 1 by mod of v vector into v vector dot gradient of f, which is also equation 1. Please pay attention to equation 1. This is very important. This is the basic formula for solving the problem. Now, the expression for the surface is rewritten from the problem in equation 2. I hope that you can see equation 2 clearly. Please pay attention to equation 2. The gradient of the surface is found as shown in equation 3. Equation 3 is very important in the context of the problem being solved. Please pay attention to equation 3. Now, the gradient of the surface at the point P, that is 2, 1, 3, is given by equation 4. Please pay attention to equation 4. As you can see, gradient of f at the point 2, 1, 3 is 8i cap plus 6j cap plus 6k cap. Now, in this problem, v vector equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap, which is expressed in equation 5a. Please find equation 5a appearing adjacent to equation number 4. And the magnitude of the vector v, that is the magnitude corresponding to the equation 5a, is found as in equation 5b. Equation 5b is a very small or little equation, but it's very important. Its importance should not be underestimated in any way. So please pay attention to equation 5b. Now, plugging equations 4, 5a and 5b into equation 1, the directional derivative of the surface is as shown in equation 6. Equation 6 is the most important equation and is a little long in size, in terms of size and length. But please pay very close attention, careful attention to equation 6. This is the last equation for the problem. And so, clearly from equation A, the directional derivative has magnitude minus 8 by root 3 and hence option A is correct. I repeat again, option A is correct. But before concluding, it must be mentioned that negative sign in the answer signifies that the surface f of x, y, z decreases at the point P 2, 1, 3 in the direction of v vector minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. This point is very important for everyone to understand. Well, I hope that the solution is clear to everyone after watching this video. Thanks for watching this video.